Look at that. Look how it glistens.
It's crazy, man.
Look how it glistens. The juices is there. The juices is there. I got this going on. If I get some time, I'm gonna hit you up. No problem.
If I get some time.
No!
I was like, what's up? You cute, you grown? I was like,
You grown.
I was like, yeah. Ah, you go, girl.
Shout out to Tinder though. You used Tinder before?
No. Should I use Tinder?
Hey.
Hey, I just downloaded last night. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh my gosh. What am I missing?
Sponsor us. No, I'm just
Hey. Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. As you can tell, I got my brother to the left of me.
What's up?
I got a close friend of mine to the right of me.
Yes.
Okay.
I know.
Dels and Mia, we about to do another video, man. We about to do this video on Zay Traps Seafood.
It ain't like it was last time. It's food. Them peanuts.
No, it ain't
Oh
like no
my
peanuts. You wanna go and do the honors? On top, that's yours, nephew.
Alright, top is me.
Because that was terrible.
That's all you. Let me get my phone real quick.
Let me look.
Yeah.
If you ain't subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button.
That's it right
Go on and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey, Zay, you did your thug dizzle. You gonna pass the rest,
You won't
nephew?
even put your foot in it, my man. I almost didn't say my grace. Goddamn. Let me see.
It's yours.
Oh.
I can just tell by the mac and
What?
Chef Zay in the building.
Y'all, look at this.
That's crazy.
Chef Jay. I said it's Jay. Zay is in the building.
Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
So the name of his food restaurant, you know, it's called Exotic Eats. Make sure you go check him
That
out.
looks so good.
Make sure you go check him out on his Instagram right now. Hit him up. You know, when we did the video on the board, we gonna support Zay too.
Right.
Don't get it twisted. But Zay, you did your thug dizzle.
Yeah.
While they put it on their Snap, Instagram, you know, I'm gonna keep it low key. I'm gonna make sure they get all of this on the
Let me see
YouTube
yours.
channel.
Put yours up.
All of it on the YouTube channel. You need a little juice, girl? I got you. You need a little juice?
Is your phone charged okay?
Hey, I'm gonna be entertaining them. You gotta make sure your safety is good. But you got the what? Shrimp?
I got the shrimp and chicken pasta.
Okay. What did you get?
I got 2 lobster tails with the loaded baked potato and some macaroni and cheese, and it smells so good.
And I got the 2 lobster tails, fully loaded baked potato and asparagus.
What's his name on Instagram?
X.traps.
Got you.
Good, ain't it? Good. I'm talking about good. Let me shift it a little bit. Let me put this on my iPhone real quick while they upload.
This, y'all.
Let me get the iPhone. Look at that. Look how it glistens.
It's crazy, man.
Look how it glistens. The juices is there. The juices is there. But let's go on and, you know, dive in.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all want to bow ahead and say a little
yes,
grace?
Yes, it look great.
You gonna do the honors? Okay. I got you.
Okay.
You got it?
You got to wait on you, nephew.
Thank you.
Yeah, grace is God.
Thank you for all the food. Make sure we get touched by our souls. Thank you for bringing us here. And watch over us after this video is filming and for the future. That's all I have to say. Amen.
Amen. Shout out to Zay, man. You a real one.
I'm gonna start with the baked potato first.
Where to start?
So I was gonna be a little picky, like no sour cream. But I'm make sure he do his thug dizzle, so I ain't say nothing.
I love sour cream.
But let's get to the lobster tail.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's try it.
My first try. What you got over there?
Boy, what's that
Good?
shrimp? What's that shrimp up?
Let me tell you something. First time trying asparagus, I was in Georgia.
What?
And you know, I'm not really an asparagus fan, but I got put on out there when I went to go see my dad.
Yeah, it's crazy.
One of his friends, a chef's out there, and he made some asparagus. They ain't have green beans. But it was cool though. I tasted it. I just had 2 of them. And I fell in love.
I'm scared to eat this lobster tail.
Shout out to Mia for the war.
Yes, y'all.
Shout out to Mia for the water. My bad.
You have to go get you some of this. If you live in Little Rock,
What can they find that at, Carl?
you can find it at Drug Emporium. It's 6 of these huge bottles of 64 ounces for $6. So and it's alkaline. You can't beat it. So, yes.
See, one thing I love about lobster tails, it ain't too much hassle. You just take the meat out and you destroy it.
Right.
How y'all like being?
How do we like what?
How y'all like being?
How we like what?
How your life been?
Oh, how's my life been?
Yeah.
It's been.
Did I miss a word in that or something?
No, I just didn't. I don't know why I didn't hear you right the first time. Wow.
Keep doing things, nephew.
Let's critique the food. I mean, there ain't really no critiques.
I
The
mean,
seasons is there.
yes, very well seasoned.
The taste is there.
This really crazy.
I taste lemon.
Yup, a lot of that.
I ain't going to Red Lobster no more.
Real lobster food. The quality is gone terrible now.
Forget them little biscuits.
That's the only thing I got going for them.
I can do without. I've been waiting on this all day. We snapped about this earlier.
Yeah, bro.
I have no complaints.
This crazy.
Nothing.
Dustin, what's in your pasta?
Chicken and shrimp.
Chicken and shrimp.
Both of them.
Can you pass me a napkin? Please. Thanks. So look, Chase.
What's up?
Yesterday I walked into our old job, Regal.
Welcome to Riga. Would you like to try one of our awesome combos?
Y'all, that was like the best job I ever had. And it wasn't because of the pay or anything. It was just because it was a lot of young kids working there. We all went to the same school, basically. And it was just a lot of fun. Like, we got to see free movies. And
Little discount on the food, 50% off.
discount on food. We used to eat good every day.
Like you stay getting the mozzarella sticks.
Yes.
$2.50.
Like, I worked there with one of my besties, my sister, friends from school. It was just so fun.
What theater did you go to?
What you mean?
Did you watch a movie there?
Oh, no. I didn't watch a movie there yesterday, but I walked in there because I was looking for Anthony. I don't know if you remember him.
Yeah, he still worked there.
Yeah, he the manager, so every time I'm like in the mall, I don't ever go to McCain, so every time I'm in there, I stop by and try to see him.
But there?
I don't know if he was there or not, but
in that black suit.
yeah, but I didn't, usually I have to say, hey, is Anthony here? But I didn't feel like doing that yesterday, so.
Don't it seem a little weird now when you walk in? Because, you know, you used to walk in like you own that place.
Right.
And you got to walk in a little bit hesitant. Like, I don't know, who are these new people?
Right. He's probably into that.
Where's my manners? Give yourself a shout out, girl. Doing your nails.
Not where's your manners?
Yo, how you let me slip out? How's business going? Drop your Instagram down. What's your Instagram, girl?
Here's my thing. So I have a lot of people that support my business, but I work in a nail shop, so it's a lot of people that come in there anyway. So it's not like I'm just super like, I don't know, cause I feel like a lot more people reach out to me than, and I don't even put up like a lot of my nail content, like on
Word
Instagram
of
and
mouth,
everything.
girl.
But I'm just saying, people still hit me up a lot. So, and like I said, I work in a nail shop, so people come in there 24/7. So it's not like I'm like, ooh.
It ain't like you
I'm not
can do
super
solo
worried.
clients.
Yeah, I mean I can, but I'm not super worried about my clientele right now because I'm not I'm not like in a salon suite or anything. Yeah.
So
They
if
can
you
follow
do
me.
want to support her,
Yeah. My personal IG is Mia Anika. MIAANIKA. I just made a nail page. It's Mia's Manicure. So
is that in your bio?
it is in my bio. So
I bet.
y'all can go follow me. I got a little 100 followers.
Okay. When did you make this?
I made it like last month. I got like the 100 followers in the same week, and I didn't even post nothing really. I mean, I post like some old stuff. That's what I'm saying. People support me, like
work.
so I appreciate everyone's support.
Whew. I can't say. It look like I'm about to bust out this shirt, but this food is good and it got me full.
Oh, you ate all your baked. I'm like, how are you so full? But you ate all your baked potato. This baked potato is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Look how big it is.
So what?
Why do you have a topic for us?
I do. I got a couple questions I wanted to ask, you know. Really, I ain't best friend no more. What qualities you don't want in your life partner?
Qualities that I don't want.
Yeah.
I don't want anybody that's not. Oh my gosh, I feel like. I don't know. You go first.
I don't want someone that's insecure. It's like you tell me that you're secure about yourself, and then when we get to the relationship type part, and you start showing some insecurities. It's like we could have just stayed friends.
Oh man.
I understand you.
Why? Because they don't trust you? Like, what do you mean? How do they show that they're insecure?
Okay, let me give you.
Forgot about the thumbnail.
Dang. I tweak it. Don't worry about it. I just have to tweak it. Damn. We did forget about the thumbnail. I'll tweak it though.
Y'all, some juice just sprayed on my
That's what I'm
neck.
saying. I just see. I was just like, damn, what's that?
Some juice. So insecurities, but you don't
Yeah,
want.
it's just like let me live my life faithfully. I'm gonna live it, but I'm gonna still be faithful.
Yeah.
Just like say
You just need a little leisure,
right. Say if
What's leisure?
just a little bit of freedom, like.
yeah, like say if I'm
Yeah.
like, yes, hey, I got this going on. If I get some time, I'm gonna hit you up. No problem.
If I get some time.
No, I might be in a business meeting. I might have 5 minutes.
Time.
I might have some time. I'm gonna text you like, "What you doing? You on mine real quick?" Then if I don't reply back to my next meeting, and you be like, "Damn, what took you so long?" Well, we only had like a 5-minute break, so I just like, "What you doing?" I hope you was gonna text back.
Me personally, I wouldn't text within those 5 minutes.
Why?
Because if I'm gonna take all day to respond again, it's like pointless.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people get
Try to explain it.
Women get so mad like when you text them and then they hurry up and reply and you reply back for the next hour. They're like, "What was you doing? Why?" It's like pointless.
What's up, beautiful?
Hey,
Hello, mother.
hello, son.
Hello.
Got anything to say?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
No. Sheesh.
Better make you some juices.
Yep.
I
Yeah,
bet.
but when I get out the shower.
Okay. Neil, you got anything else?
What was y'all saying? Oh, guys do too. Like they get mad when you don't respond back. Like, man, If this girl,
I think it'd be different. Like, if you
Is you dealing with light skin?
no.
No.
like,
Oh my gosh, one time. Okay, sometimes I get so nervous, or not nervous, but like, I don't know if it's anxious or whatever. If I'm texting somebody I really like, well, I used to do this back in the day. I used to like not look at their message because I'd be like, oh my gosh, what they say? So one time I didn't read this dude's message for like a whole day. It was literally a whole other day. And then I finally responded. He was going off on me like, and I was like, you don't understand. Like I just didn't. I didn't even look because I was nervous.
Did you tell him you were nervous?
Yeah, but he was just like.
so you sent that risky text.
No. It probably.
Excuse me.
I don't know.
No.
I got a question. Have any one of y'all ever been on a blind date before?
Nah.
I kind of want to go on
Me
one.
too. I want to do that truth or drink.
That little beer pong thing.
I'll do
That'd be
that.
dope.
I'll really do that.
Okay. In Dallas, they got this thing that's like speed dating. I think that would be so funny.
So like, what if we had a speed date here?
I probably would go to it.
Dang.
Only because I pretty much know everybody here. Like,
So you don't think the contestants would be good?
no.
Walk in irritated.
Like, huh,
I know your voice. I know it's you. Like.
No, I don't think you're blindfolded because it's not a blind date.
Mm-hmm.
It's like you sit down and then like the different people they move around and you just stay there.
Also, the women stay put, but the
Yeah.
fellas got to get up and go to another table and sell themselves.
Yeah. For like 5 minutes. I think that would be so funny.
That is.
How would you would you want them to say something, or what would you say?
I'd be like, what's your name? Okay. What do you do?
Would you expect them to have personality?
Of course. Why are you even on this? You ain't got a personality.
Or how would you conduct yourself? What would you say? How would you like sell Delson?
I don't know. That's tough.
How would you be like, hey, my name is Delson? Is it? I got a question. So when a guy trying to approach you, and he be like, hey, what's up? My name is da da da. What's your name? You be like, Mia. And then he be like, I seen you from, on the other side of the room. I just had to come get your number.
You want to say afar?
Yeah, I wanted to say afar. Do you look him up and down and be like, yeah, he got some potential? Do you give him your number, or you try to strike a conversation?
I feel like I'll talk to anybody. I can talk to anybody. But as far as me giving them their number, I mean, okay, for instance, so last weekend I went to the Boosie concert. Was it last week?
Yeah.
Okay. So my friend, she was like, oh, you should come. Like, my little boo got a section or whatever. So I'm like, bet. She had a free ticket. I was like, bet, I'm in. So I went and like, her little boo brought his homeboys, and they were so weird. Like, one of them was short like a midget. And the other two, they was just super weird. And then like, so the one that was short like a midget, he was the one that was turned up. So I'm like, okay, he's turned up.
He get real high off the ground.
And he was sitting on the seat. So he was like,
I don't think you caught his joke.
No, what did you say?
He's getting hot. He's getting real high off the ground.
Like jumping. Like.
He's a midget, so he trying to improve his
Oh my
height.
gosh. Okay. The point is, at one point he was like, what's up? And I'm like, hey, I'm still
He was
on
shorter
it.
than you.
Like, hey.
No, I'm telling you, he's like almost a midget. So of course he's shorter than me. I'm 5'5".
He grown.
Yeah, he's probably like 40 or something. I don't know, 30s. I don't know. He was way older than me. So he's like, what's up?
Nothing.
Right, and I'm like,
Yeah, you know they.
But I'm like being bougie or whatever, so I'm like, hey. He like, so what's up? He's like, and I said, my number.
Number.
What about it?
He was like, yeah, I was like, I just kind of like,
You tried to close your eyes like this ain't real.
no, I was like, he was right here and I was right here, and I just like just ignored him or whatever.
Mhm.
I mean, It's like my defense mechanism. It's like ignoring. So I was just ignoring him. And then, you know, throughout the night, he was like, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And so I told my homegirl who's home, or whatever. And she's like, oh my gosh, Mia, like, I'm not even gonna lie. You can, like, trick about some money. And I was like, why is that girl's like, I don't be thinking about that because if I cannot stand the sight of you,
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
not in that way.
That's an instant shut off.
I literally cannot fake it. Like, I just cannot fake it.
You ain't one of those type of, I'm not about to fake it just to get something now. You don't need $40 something.
No. If I need $40 in bed or something, I can go ask my daddy or, cause I really don't. I can't do that. You know
that
what I'm
ain't
saying?
you. You just
No,
you
and
just
I
don't.
literally cannot hide it on my face. So, yeah. So that's how that went.
Okay, what do you do when a woman try to approach you, man?
That you don't like, or
That
she's not your type. Like,
Yeah, she's not
you know,
your type.
at all. Like,
you know, I'm goofy, so I'm be laughing like, nah, I'm good. Like, I ain't.
So you gonna tell her you good?
Honesty is the key to everything, ain't it? I don't do it in a disrespectful way.
What y'all say?
I don't know, like, it just depends.
So he don't do. So
I
he
think
do
the
it.
man, you know, we at the mall. The girl was like, the girl, you know I'm talking about the shoes.
So what happened at the mall?
Explain yourself well.
Right.
Detail. How it happened, nephew? Now, come on, get your thoughts together.
Right.
We was walking. We was like downstairs finna get on the escalator and go up. And then we turned the corner and this girl had tapped me. I'm thinking like, this my cousin or something. And she's like, hi. I was like, huh? Hi. I was like, what's up? You cute, you grown? I was like,
You grown.
I was like, yeah. Ah, you go, girl. And we just hurried and walked. I was like, like, no.
You cute, you grown. How old was she? She looked young,
I don't know what she looked.
but she was young. So I said, you grown. Who
I
says
was
that?
like, wait. It was just so weird because I'm really the way she had time. I'm like, who's this? Like,
It
you know
was
what I'm saying?
like one of those type like, hey, what's up?
Like,
Instead of
I
just
know
saying,
you. Like,
yeah.
Oh.
it was one of them. So it had threw me off. So I'm thinking like, oh, what's up?
You like, oh, what's up, player?
Yeah,
Whoa.
I wasn't ready, but that's funny. Like, how would you sell yourself to a woman? Me personally, I feel like I'll already be sold because I smell good.
How do y'all talk to women?
I'm gonna be
I
honest.
smell real good.
I'm gonna be honest.
Like,
If I'm out on the road or if I want to talk, I remember the one girl with the umbrella. She was looking at me, but she tried to act like she wasn't looking.
oh yeah, she was looking at me. No, the girl at Nike.
Oh my god.
The girl
That's
at
what I'm
Nike.
talking about. That's what I'm
No, it wasn't her. That was two different people.
By the way,
talking about.
this is delectable.
It was.
Yeah.
This food was great. He finished. I'm done. You handling the business.
Look, no, I'm finished. But look, next time, dang, cause you know how I be having like 20 of these, and you know how they do them Bill seafood boils.
Mm-hmm.
One day, me and Corey made the Be Love sauce. It was so good. Have you ever tried it? Oh my gosh, it was so good. So we should make something sometime, like a whole bunch of stuff, and then like.
We
And
make
then, like, with the, we can make it. Seafood's not hard to make. I mean, I don't know about all these seasonings.
Yeah, that's season.
I mean, what if we can put money together? Then we give you some extra cooking.
Sure. Okay, yeah. Do that. But then we can make the sauce, and it's easy. But, yeah. Anyway, what were we talking about?
You said, how do we talk to women?
Yes,
Like,
like,
how do we approach them?
yeah, like, if you see somebody you really think is cute,
Okay.
and you add
I don't.
whatever
I'm
out.
be honest. If I see somebody cute and I'm in the area and I'm just walking by and then I see you, I'm straight up.
You walk past and then walk back like.
I'm be honest. I'll be on my phone and I'll look at you and then I'll be like, "Excuse me, what's your name?" And they'll say me like, "Oh, you pretty."
See, Chase
Then I'll just
the
keep
bold
walking.
one out of the group.
I keep
Chase the
walking.
bold.
So
And
you be
then,
like,
like-
alright, you pretty.
And then it's
You
like
be
once they get my name, I'm like, it's either they gonna find me, and then like, hey,
on your Instagram?
Hmm. I ain't about to sell myself right there.
That's how it go.
I ain't about to sell.
That's how it go.
I'm low key with it.
For real.
I ain't about to be like, hey, if you don't mind, can I get your number? Nah.
I'm
gonna wait till you
I'm
get. I'm gonna wait till you get back to me, so I
You
know
might
that,
as well
that
text me.
feeling mutual. I need to make sure that I checked you out. I seen what you was about, just
You gonna go find
physical attributes, and that's it. And then it was like, I'm gonna leave that and walk off, do my thug do.
Yeah.
And then you like, dang, his name Chase.
I know you.
So y'all like really detectives. Chase. Go scroll. Nah, that's not him. No, this him. Hey, did I see you? Da, da, da? Yeah, that was me. What's up? How are you?
It ain't gonna happen. Like, they gonna start liking all your stuff first.
I forgot about that step.
When you skip the step, they gonna like all your stuff.
Have you did that before?
No.
That's usually how it go though. Like,
I don't do that because I'm like, I don't want them to think I'm just weird. To where I'm like all this stuff.
especially the ones that like, they'll probably even. It's so crazy. They'll probably already be your friend on social media, and then they ain't never seen nothing you posted. Then you just post something just to post it. Next thing you know, they under all your stuff. That's how it works.
Guys do that to me though. Like they'll be like.
What do you be thinking?
Now that's creepy. Like,
I just be like, oh, they trying to talk to me.
Little fanboys, little thing.
Yeah.
Instead of just sliding.
Little John.
What do you respect more? Him just sliding in and be like,
what would you prefer?
I approach you, da 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 the other day. I don't know if you remember me.
Let me say something. Most of the people that try to talk to me, like, I already got their social media, or we already got each other's social media. Like, but maybe I don't know them, or they don't know me, or you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So
but
it's like,
but when they see me in person, they be like, "What's up?" I'm like, "What's up?" If I think they cute, then I'll talk to them back. But if they not cute, no. Let me tell you this: if they're not cute, or if I don't find them attractive, I don't think most guys come up to me that I don't feel like are cute. I don't know how that works out, but it's perfect because I don't want to be like how I was doing that boy like. Now you can have my number. You can have my Instagram. See, my thing is, y'all should be like, what's your Instagram? You know what I'm saying? Because then that's how you can keep up with them.
But that's what they do though. Like all it take is a conversation, and so y'all won't give y'all a number. Y'all ask for the social media, and then when y'all speak on social media, it's like you might as well text me, and then boom, like you got a number.
So look, this one time, I was at this little gathering, and like. This guy was like, it was another guy that I've never seen before. And I was like, who the heck is this? Gotta kill. So, just so happened, as he was about to leave, it was another guy. He was like, hey, get her, her Instagram, like, she do nails or whatever. Like, you can get you a little pedicure, right? Mm-hmm. Boys be coming to get pedicures.
Hey, I got mine.
Yes, Chase coming there.
I can't wait to film.
Oh, yeah. You just have to let me know.
Yeah,
but,
I ain't gonna rush it.
So, like, he got my Instagram or whatever. He was just looking at my stuff for like weeks. Then he just slid in the DM. I was like, how did this go happen?
Okay. Like, finally. Like, you was waiting on it?
Yes, I was.
How many days do you be like, dang?
I don't be doing days. I'm like, one day. Like, that's weird.
So, let's just say he didn't. Mm-hmm. Will you ever slide in the DM?
I might.
He just gotta be
because I know I'm not ugly. See, everybody can't do that.
Yeah, everybody can't do that.
If you don't feel like y'all the same type, no.
I done missed a couple shots.
But look, here's the thing.
I mean, because people.
I may not just be like, "Hey, what's up? You're so fun." Like I don't do that. Like, but if they post something, I'm like, no. If they post something like on their story, I'll comment. It can be like.
So that's
you're like, move. Why I ain't invited, or
that's the move that they be doing.
But I'm just kind of like a bold person though. Like,
yeah.
Are you taking a shower without me? You gonna
I don't do all that. It don't be thirsty.
That's what dudes be. Some dudes really do that though. Like that's crazy.
It don't be thirsty like the way I saw in the DM. It just be all some eyes. Some chill shit.
I'll just be like, you coulda, you should just call me.
No.
Are you by yourself?
No.
Nothing like that. I gotta see you in action.
I know. But I literally don't like anybody. Like, I don't be liking people. So if I like somebody,
they special.
Or no, they're not special.
Feel special.
They should feel special.
Don't take it for granted, basically. Yeah.
So yeah.
It's easy.
But look, I have approached a guy in like a setting before.
Yeah.
Yes.
I didn't turn that.
I walked in and was like, what's up? He's like, what's up? And I said, you cute. I think you look cute. He's like, you look cute too. And I was like,
So
okay.
I had a little moment.
We did.
Did
Like
it,
I said.
did it go well?
Yeah, it went well. Yeah. I mean, I don't talk to him. I mean, I'll see him out and talk to him, and like we'll talk or on social media or.
You did. So it kind of fizzled out.
It was never like a strong connection.
Oh.
It was just like, oh, you cute.
A little weak Wi-Fi.
Little weak Wi-Fi, one bar. So
That Wi-Fi everybody be using.
Yeah, but then he started looking at my social media and started liking stuff and doing all that. So.
he was like, oh, he see you.
But I think he got a girl. See, I didn't know that, so I think that's why though.
Mm.
So.
Yeah, so you gotta fall back.
So if he come to the approach and like, hey, I had a girl, you okay with that approach, or are you okay with he just sliding in? Hey, I'm single now.
He didn't even tell me he had a girl.
Oh, he ain't even got to tell you all that. He
Nope.
just slide in and be like, what's up?
Yep.
Hey, you doing something, da da da. So everything that happened in the past, that's before your.
You got nothing to do with it.
You got nothing. to do.
That's all now.
Because it wasn't like I was
I
talking
likes
to him.
that. I likes that.
Yeah.
You
It
know,
wasn't
some
like.
girls be holding it against you though.
See,
Man.
let me tell you something. You're weak-minded or something. I don't know.
I mean, everybody different. Like, I don't know. I can't relate to that though.
I had a situation.
People be too emotional.
Oh, I can tell you about a little situation when I went to Miami. You know, it was a little beautiful little lady out there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I peeked her out. We were just talking. I was like, "Hey, y'all watch YouTube?" She was with a group of friends. So she was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Here you go." Then I had an Arkansas hat on. She's like, "Oh snap! I'm from Arkansas. Where? From North Little Rock. Where you from?" I gave her my card. Real smooth. We was in the parasailing video. Yeah, I gave her my shit. I was like, yeah, just follow me, subscribe. She's like, all right, cool. We was on parasailing. We was doing the little thing. And then my brother and Eddie, they had to go. We couldn't go through by ourselves. And they was like, well, you gotta ride. Then she was like, oh, I like to ride. I was big. So when we got up in the air, we had a little nice conversation. And then they was supposed to be going back, but they ended up waiting on this ride to go back downtown.
Mm-hmm.
So we went jet skiing, came back, and it was like, y'all still here? And it was like, yeah, they told her the ride was supposed to be here 30 minutes ago. That was 2 hours ago. So me, Eddie, and three, my little brother eating and stuff, and then she inboxed me. No, she added me. I was like, y'all still here? The ride came? She was like, nah, but I was like, well, I just checked in. I'm gonna make sure I keep you updated when the ride here, when the van get here. So we just started talking and whatnot. Then when we got in the van, we started talking some more. That was like, would you mind? Can we keep in contact? Can we exchange numbers? She's like, yeah, I can do that. Then we started from there. We still talking though. That was pretty smooth on her part. See, I just threw the ball on her crusty.
Yeah.
And then when she raised her hand, she was like, yeah, let me go with you.
Yeah.
We was in the air 10 minutes. We had a nice little conversation. I recorded it. I got all that footage. All of it.
You posted that footage?
Nah. That's exclusive. That's exclusive.
Okay, I'm like,
That's exclusive.
You keeping it though forever?
Forever.
Okay.
Probably until I get a girlfriend, she'll be like,
who is this?
yeah, I gotta get rid of
Who
that.
is this?
She can go on the SD card like that?
Nah, she in the files.
Oh, sheesh.
I transferred to the SD card to the files now.
Okay.
But shout out to Tinder though. You used Tinder before?
No. Should I use Tinder?
Hey.
Hey, I just downloaded last night. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh my gosh. What am I missing?
Sponsor us. No, I'm just-
Hey. Just keep it low key. Like, I got 99 plus people that like me right now. But I had some.
Are they cute?
Okay. But you know, it was just simple.
Hey, you know, it's just like, you know what I'm saying?
But I'm just looking for a vibe. That's it. No relationship. Not right now. I ain't ready for nothing committed.
Yeah, we trying to get these pockets fat.
I'm working on generational wealth.
You hear me?
Building something. I'm trying to have a partner, not a guard, a police officer, or a teacher. I need you to be my ribs.
You really getting tender?
Do y'all not? Cause look, I need to. Okay, so look.
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
I know I needed to see what was out there.
Right.
So that's the whole reason why.
So it's a way to.
Yeah, it's a way to see what's out there, who's
I
around.
think it's gonna be some creeps.
Nah, it's
for
really...
men it is.
Yeah,
but
that's
for
what I'm
women it's
saying.
a different approach. But you can tell by somebody's bio. You have the option. Like say if say you make your profile, right? I see Mia. And I read your bio. It's
But
like,
look, what if somebody see me on there and they're like, me on Tinder?
Everybody on
See, I had the same.
Almost everybody.
I had the same thought, but it was like, I'm just looking for somebody to vibe with. I mean, if I swipe you and you swipe me, then it's gonna say we match. But if I just swipe you, you never swipe me back. It's no hard feelings. Don't
So
take
it's just like a
personal.
profile picture?
Yeah, it's no.
So you gotta pick the best one.
I mean, you can. Let me
Which
show
way you swipe? What the swipes mean?
I mean, look. Okay, so take her for instance. I click this if she got multiple photos. Since I don't do those not my preference. I do this. Ugh. No. And you know.
Oh no.
No. No.
Why is all these no offense to the Caucasians, but
Okay, say for her. 19, I see that.
like my good friend
Then I see
Chen says,
I see her
no
pictures
pale
is
butts.
like, nope. No. No. Oh, hold on. Let me also help you. So you can edit your profile right here. So I got these photos right here so they can click through. See, it's just nothing simple. They can see what I'm about. Then you can change your bio about me. Single, looking for someone to vibe with. Instagram, YouTube, don't be afraid to message me first.
How you on?
Job.
How you gonna put your Instagram, your YouTube?
Hey, I can try it. Hey, I'm marketing, baby. So just
strictly business.
So just in case we don't match, at least you can follow me somewhere. You can reach out to me. I'm still giving them an opportunity. Maybe you just didn't click my radar, and then you can change your range too. Let me see, what's my range? Let me see. Click edit profile.
20 to 40. Look.
Actually, I got it to
Nah, just play it, bro.
Oh, settings. You click settings. Maximum distance, 60 miles. Gender, I like women.
No.
Age range, 19 to 45. That's why I see that 45. That 45.
Why is it the 45?
Teach me something.
Oh, sugar mama?
Teach me
Oh.
something.
Whoa.
Teach me
My
something.
thing is, okay, how y'all feel about like sugar mamas and like, and
I'm
not on no playing stuff.
No, I'm gonna be honest.
Talk to her.
I'm gonna be honest. Teach me something.
Okay.
If you teach me something. Are you trying to use and abuse me for my youth?
For your youth.
Teach me something. But it's only if I see you got something going on. You see me as a project.
Not a project.
Take me.
Okay, so look, let me tell y'all. So,
Oh, yeah, so show me them swipes.
oh my gosh. So I've never been in like a sugar daddy, sugar girl relationship or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing wrong.
But at this one point in time, I was like,
That mean you?
No, this year.
Okay, I bet. That's all I
You
need to
see the like,
Yeah.
then you see the nope,
know. I bet.
nope.
I'm
Nope.
with you.
Nope. And you gonna see a lot of people from Conway too.
okay, everybody listen to my story?
Yeah,
Yes.
but listen, you never been a
You got-
sugar daddy type.
Who got fired?
No, I've never been in a sugar daddy, sugar runner relationship. But one day I was this when I was working in Barn Louis, the one in North Little Rock.
Mm-hmm.
It was this man came in there. He's white or whatever. So he was like, "Hey, what do you do? I'd like to take you out. Look at this. Look, this is my sugar baby. I sent her and her cousin to New York." And I'm like, "Okay." So I'm like, "You gonna give me some, baby?" So he was always trying to go out or go somewhere. So one day I had one of my friends come with me to this bar with him. And we ordered our food, he paid for it or whatever. But during that situation, he was trying to like rub on my leg. It was like people like sitting like right here. And it was like, "Oh my gosh." Like I heard them whisper like, "Oh my gosh, she's like rubbing her leg." And so I was like uncomfortable, but like I just dealt with it until it was time to leave. But after that, I was like, I cannot do this. Like, that is so creepy. No.
That's not true.
No, for one, if I have a sugar daddy, he's never really sugar. Like, it has to be one. But you know, those There are
Yeah,
some of those.
there's a rare case right there.
So you want to be a sugar baby?
It's not super rare.
Baby.
It's not super rare, but I mean, yeah. So the point is, I never had a sugar daddy, but the point is, I'd be open to it if
They could.
he wasn't a
cooperate.
creep, and maybe if he was black,
Yeah.
I might like it a little bit better.
Nah, it'd probably be worse because they really go.
Baby, come on, man. You know.
And then they be like,
And they go
my
pull
daddy
out the-
age
they
or
go,
older.
Look here, they gonna jangle them keys
and then
They
you
gonna hit you one of
strong.
with like 10 keys, and then they gonna have a toothpick.
Oh no, not the
Tell you.
toothpick. It can't be no one with
They
a
gonna be like,
toothpick.
hey, shawty.
Don't let them have the Bluetooth. Let me tell you.
Oh, no. Not a Bluetooth. Okay, so look, Dusty, you say you talked to this lady.
Yeah, I had talked to older women. It was like a long time ago.
How old was she?
She's like 36.
Okay, so what's going on with
What
it?
happened?
Yeah.
No, we were just talking, and then
What
like
was y'all saying?
What y'all talking about? What y'all
It
conversation like?
it was more of a use it as for our youth type.
He got used
who?
for his youth.
I mean, she was fine though.
Oh, was she? Okay,
Yeah,
that's
I
good.
ain't
That's
finna-
plus.
She pitched to you like Sosa.
Like, but that's all it was though. And then,
So she used you for your youth.
yeah, that's all it was though.
That is terrible.
Not really.
Terrible.
You
Y'all want to be taken advantage of?
Yeah, I'm young.
advantage.
Tell me something. I don't think it's taking advantage if I'm open to it. I'm willing.
That's not for anybody
Yeah.
though.
It's not for everybody.
Dang. And how old was you?
It's 20.
20. Now you're 21 yet.
So,
Hold on.
16-year difference.
Okay, so I know. Oh, God. What am I supposed to do with all that?
Double swipe.
Swipe that way. See if she gonna swipe back.
I'm open.
You did it?
Yeah. I wanna
I mean, it doesn't mean I got to start up a conversation.
All right.
I know. Let me show you. Let me show you how it goes in for the kill. Let me see you do this. Look this acceptable to you.
So I need to download Tinder.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can read.
and you will
you
have
can
so
read
much.
it.
I think you have fun too.
Yeah, you'll have a lot of
You have
I
fun.
think
This-
it's gonna be
this-
lots
this
of
is
white
me.
guys.
But I think we good, right? The food was good. Conversation was great.
Delectable.
Man, let me tell you.
2 people is walking away on Tinder, and they about to enjoy themselves.
I'm really scared because people gonna be like, Mia is on Tinder,
I don't
What that
care.
gotta do
I'm
with
on it.
and I'm like, oh my gosh.
So you gotta get that. You gotta get that
You
out your
gotta step
mind.
out your comfort zone.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This ain't about everybody. It's about me. You know what I'm saying? Me having fun. You know what I
Preaching
mean?
that, you.
Know what I mean? You feel me, like?
Let you in.
Let me in.
Simple.
Sheesh.
But thank y'all. Well, thank Zay for the food, man. You did your thug thizzle.
Keep doing what you're doing, man.
Yes.
You wanna leave your Instagram, Facebook name, man?
Nah, man, you're just gonna drop it for me.
Drop it.
Just
Okay, it's
drop
gonna be in
it
this
for
bio down
me.
below.
Drop it.
I'm gonna drop Mia's down below too.
Yes.
Make sure y'all subscribe if you didn't already. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know we was everywhere with it, but hey, when you get us 2 together and then include her personality, it just flows like that. It ain't no flow. This
Who is
is
that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
this is our flow.
Make sure you didn't flip him off.
This is our flow.
Oh.
This is
Totally do.
party like a rock. Party like. Hey, you remember Kids Cafe in North Little Rock?
Yes, I do.
You remember that song was booming back in that time
Mhm.
during the summer?
Kiss Cafe was
It was pretty lit.
had that fruit cocktail.
Do you still got that rolling backpack?
No. Did I have a rolling backpack?
Mm-hmm.
I had one of them mugs too.
I had a blue clear one.
I had just
What did I think I was?
clear and black one. I'll take that one up. Nah, man.
Come
Walk
roll with
it, roll
it.
I'm like, man, I'm elite.
Alright, man. We'll see y'all in another video. Chase is out. Everybody is out. What's good, everybody? I'm Chase.
And I'm Noah, and we want to introduce y'all to a new project we got going called Second Try.
Hey, if you didn't get it the first try, now you have a second try to get it with us.
We're going to have items like Off-White, Jordan releases, Supreme.
Hey, we might have Bake or Stone Island. You never know what you might get with us.
So check us out on Instagram at Second Try Store. And also we got a website in the works. So you never know what kind of deals you're gonna find.
Hey, steals and deals will be cooked up. So once again, make sure you follow us at Second Try Store. Can't wait for y'all to come shop with us. Hey, we got some off-white pressos on hand on deck right now, size 8. What's up? But thank y'all, and y'all have a good day.